Are you barking? What? What do you want me to do?
Why don't you just be a big quiet dog instead of a big dog?
What? What do you want me? What is it? Are you hungry? It's not a bad habit. Oh, Ace just wants to say hello. You say hello, everybody. Are you just saying hello? Are you just saying hello? He was just saying hello, see? Oh, say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Oh. What? All right. Okay.